Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I have a 2008 Lance 825 and I need some help. If you look at my sensors up here, they all read low, but I know two of my tanks are empty and one of them is about half full. So I was checking the sensors out and it turns out I can't get to the sensors in the black tank. I don't know how, but the gray tank's open. I tested the sensors and they seem to be all bad. Maybe they're gummed up, I don't know. But anyways, I went to check the freshwater tank, which is underneath the dinette right here. And I ran into this kind of electrical panel thing. It looks homemade, but it has a circuit breaker on it, some sort of bus. It looks like it has a mixture of AC and DC wires. And if you can see down here, it has some connections that look like they were pre-connected. See if I can get some more light in there. And but they don't go anywhere. It does have a RJ11 right here, if that helps. But I have no idea what this is. It also looks like there's some more 12 volt wires coming down. And this looks like it's possibly AC wiring. So I don't want to mess with it too much. It was screwed against the side there with some deck screws. So the back side just shows all the wires going in through a hole. But some of the wires, these two wires right here, they go down and they go underneath the floor and disappear. So what I'm hoping is some RV electrical guru can tell me what this is and if I can, what it was used for maybe. Maybe it's stock, I don't know. But like I said, it's a 2008 825 Lance. And I just want to know if this is stock or if I can remove it completely or tap into it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think this is and what I should do about it. Let me know if you need any more information. But it looks like it goes underneath. It comes from underneath the step to get up into the sleeper. And across from the step is my fuse box. So I assume it's connected there, goes underneath the step, comes to this panel. I hope you can see that. But not sure. The RJ11 is kind of throwing me off. I'm not sure what that would go to inside. But I don't have any holes anywhere where something used to be, so whatever it was connected in this hole down here. But yeah, I'm just curious if somebody added this or if it's stock. If somebody else has an 825, could let me know. I'd surely appreciate it. Thanks for watching.